After you've worked through a number of the slides, you get to this point, and I'd like to pick up where I was talking a little bit in the last video in case it was a little bit confusing to you. And the whole concept was, if you look at the unit and you go to a smaller unit, you have to multiply. And if you look at your unit and go to a larger unit, you have to divide. So let's look at 3 examples and maybe it'll simplify it for you. So if I have 1,452 meters, so I'm at meters, and I want to turn it into kilometers, so I want to turn it into kilometers. Because I'm going to the left, to the larger units, I have to divide by 10, divide by 10, and divide by 10. And what that really means is, my decimal place was here, I have to divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10. It moves it 3 decimal places. I get 1.452 kilometers. Okay. If we look at the second one, 27.2 liters, and again, you might want to pause it and make sure you've got this under control. If we look at the second one, do it in green. We're starting at liters and we're going to milliliters. Okay, liters to milliliters. So now since I'm going smaller, since I'm moving to the right, it has to be times 10, times 10, and times 10. Okay? So if I take my decimal where it is, I go times 10, times 10, times 10, and notice I'd have to actually fill in 2 zeros because my decimal's way down here. So 27.2 liters is 27,200 milliliters. And that is a comma to separate the thousands and the hundreds. It's not a decimal. 27,200 milliliters. Okay. Same thing, last one. So go to black. Okay. I have 19 kilograms, so I'm starting right here. And I want to go to grams, which is right here. Okay. Well, because I'm going this direction, whenever I go that direction on our grid here, I have to multiply. If I'm moving this direction, I have to divide. If I'm moving that direction, I have to multiply. And I am moving this direction, so these will be multiply. Okay. So 19 kilograms, well, I'm going to do it down here. The decimal place was here, right? And I have to move it 1, 2, 3. So I have to put it here. So I'm going to have to add some zeros there. So it's going to be 19,000 with a comma grams. So 19 kilograms is 19,000 grams. Now you may be asking, do I always move 3 decimal places? The answer to that is no. That's most common. Right? But we'll do one more example. Right? We'll do it over here. What if I had 94 centimeters? And I want to know how many millimeters that is. Okay? Well, notice I'm starting here and I'm going this way, so it would be times 10 just once because I'm going from centimeters to millimeters. So that would be 94 times 10 or 9,400. Okay, so you're not always moving 3 times, but that is the most common. Sometimes you're only moving once. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Good luck with the rest of the slides.